In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Wrike account, whether you're downsizing your digital footprint or simply trying out new project management tools. It's important to know how to manage your accounts efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Wrike profile. This is your starting point and is easily accessible through the main Wrike workspace. Once you're in your profile, you'll notice a range of options and settings tailored to customize your Wrike experience. But today, we're focusing on how to take a step towards deactivating your Wrike presence. Next, locate and click on the Settings option. This is crucial because all the settings related to your account configuration and preferences are stored here. It's like the control center for your account. Once inside, you'll find various tabs and options that allow you to tweak your user experience, manage integrations, and more. As you navigate through the settings, look specifically for the Account Management section. This particular area is designed to give users control over fundamental aspects of their Wrike account. Here, you can manage billing preferences, user accounts, and importantly for us today, account deletion functionalities. Now pay close attention to the section referring to account deletion. It's important to be thorough and mindful as you approach this step. There should be an option or a statement indicating that if you decide to delete your account, all of your data, including tasks, projects, files, and discussions for all users in this account, will be automatically deleted. This is a critical warning, ensuring that you are fully aware of the implications of deleting your account. It's wise to make sure you've backed up any important data or completed necessary handovers if you're working with a team. Remember, this process is irreversible, and once your account is deleted, retrieving any information becomes impossible. So ensure that deletion is exactly what you want before proceeding. If you've done that and you're ready to proceed, click on the relevant option to initiate the deletion process. And there you have it. You have now successfully navigated the steps to delete your Wrike account. Don't forget to double check that you have any needed data secured before taking this final step to prevent any potential loss of important information. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more easy to follow guides.